When planning electrical provisions for holiday lights, several options can enhance safety, convenience, and the overall aesthetic of your displays. Firstly, consider installing a dedicated circuit specifically for holiday lights. This prevents overloading existing circuits, reducing the risk of trip breakers or electrical hazards. Secondly, under-window outlets provide easy access to power for candles, decorations, and other display items placed near windows. Thirdly, placing outlets in the soffits is a practical solution for powering string lights used in outdoor displays. Smart power strips offer remote control and scheduling capabilities, allowing for automatic turn-on and turn-off of lights. Extension cords can be run discreetly along walls or ceilings to minimize tripping hazards, but always ensure they are rated for the intended use. LED lights consume less energy and produce less heat compared to traditional incandescent bulbs, which significantly reduces the risk of overloading circuits and saves on energy costs. For more elaborate holiday lighting provisions, consider installing LED lights along rooflines for festive and attention-grabbing display. Programmed LED lights can create synchronized light shows that coordinate with music, adding a dynamic element to your decorations. Professional-grade lighting systems can illuminate large trees with multiple strings of lights, creating a stunning visual impact. Holiday theme plugs provide festive accents while helping to keep cords organized and prevent tangling. Automated timers can automatically turn on and off lights at predetermined times, simplifying holiday decorating and saving energy. Permanent lighting solutions offer the convenience of easy storage and reuse each year, eliminating the hassle of yearly setup and takedown. When planning your holiday lighting, it's essential to involve a qualified electrician for any major electrical work or installations. This ensures that all work is performed safely and in compliance with local electrical codes. Plan your lighting displays in advance to avoid last-minute electrical issues and allow ample time for installation. Before hanging any lights, test them thoroughly to ensure they are working properly and to identify any damaged bulbs or faulty connections. Always be mindful of electrical safety and follow all manufacturer instructions for lights, extension cords, and other electrical components. After the holiday season, unplug and store all lights and decorations properly to protect them from damage and prolong their lifespan. Consider the total wattage of all lights connected to a single circuit. A standard 15-amp circuit can handle a maximum of 1800 watts, but it's best to stay below 80% of that, or 1440 watts, to prevent overloading. A 20-amp circuit can handle a maximum of 2400 watts, with a safe limit of 1920 watts. Check the wattage rating of your lights and ensure that the total wattage does not exceed the circuit's capacity. When using extension cords, choose cords that are rated for outdoor use and are heavy-duty enough to handle the electrical load. Avoid using multiple extension cords connected together, as this can create a fire hazard. Inspect extension cords for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires or cracked insulation, and replace them if necessary. Use ground fault circuit interrupter or GFCI outlets for all outdoor lighting to protect against electrical shock. GFCIs are designed to trip and shut off power if they detect a ground fault, which can occur when electricity comes into contact with water or a person. If you don't have GFCI outlets, you can use a GFCI adapter. Keep electrical connections dry and protected from the elements. Use weatherproof connectors and covers to prevent water from entering the connections, which can cause corrosion and electrical hazards. Avoid running extension cords across walkways or areas where they could be tripped over. If you must run cords across walkways, use cord covers to protect them and prevent tripping hazards. Keep lights and decorations away from flammable materials such as dry leaves, paper, and fabric. These materials can easily ignite if they come into contact with a heat source such as a light bulb. Turn off all lights and decorations when you leave the house or go to bed. This not only saves energy but also reduces the risk of fire. If you are using a timer, make sure it is set correctly and that it is working properly. If you are using a smart power strip, make sure it is connected to your Wi-Fi network and that you can control it remotely. Store lights and decorations in a dry, cool place when they are not in use. This will help to protect them from damage and prolong their lifespan. Consider using a storage container that is specifically designed for holiday lights. This will help to keep the lights organized and prevent them from getting tangled. Label all of your lights and decorations so that you know what they are and where they go. This will make it easier to set up your holiday display next year. Take photos of your holiday display each year so that you can remember how you arranged everything. This will also help you to identify any areas that need improvement. Share your holiday lighting ideas with your friends and neighbors. This is a great way to spread holiday cheer and to get inspiration for your own display. When choosing a location for your soffit outlets, consider the placement of your string lights and the desired aesthetic of your outdoor display. Ensure that the outlets are easily accessible and that they are not obstructed by any architectural features. Consider installing multiple soffit outlets to accommodate different lighting configurations and to avoid the need for long extension cords. When planning your roofline lighting, consider the architectural style of your home and the desired effect of the lighting. Choose LED lights that are specifically designed for outdoor use and that are rated for wet locations. Use clips or fasteners that are designed to securely attach the lights to your roofline without damaging the shingles or other roofing materials. When planning your synchronized lighting display, choose LED lights that are compatible with a control system. The control system will allow you to program the lights to change color, brightness, and pattern in coordination with music. Make sure that the control system is easy to use and that it has a wide range of features. When planning your tree lighting system, consider the size and shape of the tree. Choose LED lights that are appropriate for the size of the tree and that will provide adequate illumination. Use a professional-grade lighting system that is designed for outdoor use and that is rated for wet locations. When choosing holiday theme plugs, consider the style of your holiday decorations and the overall aesthetic of your home. Choose plugs that are made of durable materials and that are designed to withstand outdoor use. Make sure that plugs are compatible with your electrical outlets and that they provide a secure connection. When choosing automated timers, consider the features that are most important to you. Some timers have multiple settings that allow you to program different on and off times for different days of the week. Other timers have a countdown function that allows you to set the lights to turn off after a certain amount of time. Make sure that the timer is easy to use and that it is compatible with your electrical outlets. When planning your permanent lighting, consider the long-term cost and maintenance requirements. Choose LED lights that are energy efficient and that have a long lifespan. Make sure that the lights are easy to install and that they are designed to withstand the elements. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for electrical installations, including those for holiday lighting. Firstly, NEC Section 210.8 addresses ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. GFCI protection is required for 125-volt, 15 and 20 amp receptacles installed in readily accessible locations, which often includes outdoor areas where holiday lights are used. Secondly, NEC Section 406.9 covers receptacle boxes, box covers, and outlet fittings. It specifies that receptacles installed in wet locations must have an enclosure that is weatherproof even when an attachment plug is inserted. This is crucial for outdoor holiday lighting to prevent water from entering the electrical system. Thirdly, NEC Section 590 addresses temporary installations, which can apply to holiday lighting setups. It outlines requirements for wiring methods, overcurrent protection, and grounding to ensure safety during the temporary period the lights are installed. Fourthly, NEC Article 410 covers luminaires, lamp holders, and lamps. This article provides guidelines for the installation and use of lighting fixtures, including those used for holiday decorations, to ensure they are properly installed and used safely. Fifthly, NEC Section 310.15 deals with ampacity, the current carrying capacity of conductors. When installing a dedicated circuit for holiday lights, it's important to select conductors with an ampacity that is sufficient for the load. This section provides tables and guidelines for determining the appropriate conductor size based on the expected current draw. The NEC is updated every 3 years, so it's essential to consult the latest edition to ensure compliance with the most current safety standards. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work, especially when it comes to installing new circuits or making modifications to existing electrical systems. An electrician can ensure that the work is done safely and in compliance with the NEC and local electrical codes. By following these suggestions and guidelines, one can create a safe and festive holiday lighting display that enhances the beauty of the home while minimizing the risk of electrical hazards.